Hey guys, this is Poetspice and I am here to do my new collab for June. So every Wednesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time we are going to do our projects that are either 3D or they have some kind of moving component. So a flip-flop, pop-up, waterfall card, spinny card, anything that is interactive or a 3D project like a box. Anything that's 3D. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I did and then check out the other ladies who are participating with me. If you want to play along, just go ahead and use the hashtag below. All right, so I did use a piece of paper out of this My Creative Time pastel party paper. So I used this. And then I finally broke down and used the donut box from Diamond Press. It was on HSN this last time, and so I decided to make one. So there's multiple ways to make it and different kind of whatevers, but I used that. And then I did use some Nuvo Drops, just some Nuvo Drops, drops, and some silver paper from Crafter's Companion. So my 3D item is the little box. It's so cute. I think I'm not sure if I should have put this like that or put it on the inside, but whatever. It's so cute though. So you got this little box and the little lid, and you can see where I put like a donut. So down here, oh yes. So this, I made the little donut. I made the box brown, but the little donut under here. And then you've got your icing out of that. And then on the top is the Nuvo Drops to make the little sprinkles. Now they have like a die or a stencil to make sprinkles, but I wanted 3-dimensional so you can see. Then it has the word sweet, and then they also include acetate in the little kit. And then of course, when you run out, you just buy some more, and it just opens like that. How cute is that? Right? Now, I suppose if I was going to do something fancy schmancy, I would go back in and put like a little tissue paper or something to line it, but you see how cute that is. So, and then just pull these little tabs out a little bit at the back and close it back up. The Nuvo Drops are still wet, so I'm trying not to touch them. And there you go with my first little 3D box. And like I said, I think I'd probably go back and ink it up a little bit, but how cute is that? Mwah. All right, so like I said, go check out the other ladies that are participating, and then if you want to do anything 3D or that has a moving component, just go ahead and join us. All right, see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.